Hi guys, it's Luz again with a quick little video. Because I have nothing to do, I decided that I was going to review a Jimmy Kimmel's recipe. He calls it pastatina. So I heard the ingredients and what he did, and I think this is going to be a winner for my family. So you will need Parmesan cheese. He doesn't like this one, he likes fresh. But I read the ingredients. The first one is Parmesan cheese, and in order to call it Parmesan cheese, it has to go to certain process. And I ask, you know who? I cannot say her name, but she'll start talking. And then you'll need a can of cannellini beans and some garlic. I already have it all minced, and olive oil. And because I'm going to make it for grown-ups and older children, I also going to add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of garlic. So the first thing you're going to do is saute the garlic. Can you see me? And I'm not as good as Jimmy. So a little bit of olive oil, maybe a little bit more. Okay, and I already mashed the beans, the cannellini beans. He did it in the can, but I thought that was kind of dangerous, and I was afraid he was going to lose another finger. He actually cut himself during the filming of the recipe. And you need one of these things, but I think you may be able to use a blender or a bullet or a bean masher, whatever you have. So this is already done. And let me go back to the garlic, because you know garlic burns right away. And you want the garlic to be golden because you want to really flavor the olive oil. And I already have the pasta already cooked because I'm not as good as him. He was doing the pasta, the garlic, the opening of the can, but I can't do it that way. And I guess I should have made my pan hotter before I start this. And I cannot stop or pause because I'm a one-man show and I'm filming this with a telephone camera. So what else can I talk about it? Okay, so I save a little bit of the water because I'm old school. So this is not the way Jimmy does it, but I think it will make the sauce creamier. And I'm planning to change the name. He calls it pastatina, but I'm going to call it Jimmy Tina sauce because I want always for him to get credit for this sauce. I don't want my kids to think this is my mother's sauce, and then 20 years from now, Jimmy Kimmel says, excuse me, your mother stole my sauce recipe. No, it's not her sauce. So, it's almost ready, guys. Oh. And this is what happens when you're all bored. I am all bored. All I want to do is eat. So to keep myself busy, I'm making a bunch of videos. Oh, okay. So now that the garlic is nice and brown, I'm going to pour the beans. Oh. Spoon. I'm sorry guys, I'm giving you the back. Okay, smells very good. And I'm going to add my little bit of pepper and my little bit of garlic powder. So I already have the pasta cooked. You can use any pasta. I had some penne pasta my husband bought. So now let me bring the bean sauce. And that was too hot. I wasn't planning well. Smells garlicky. And I think, like he said, this will fool the children. It's like a fake cheese pasta. So now I'm going to mix the Jimmy Tina sauce. I know I'm corny. Oh, it looks so creamy, Jimmy. Very beautiful. Now I'm going to add the cylinder Parmesan cheese. And I promise you, Jimmy, when this is all over and we're not in quarantine, I'll go back to fresh Parmesan. But right now, survival. This is so beautiful. Huh. I'm gonna add a little bit of the water, Jimmy. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. This is beautiful. One fell. Huh? This is amazing. I would add some, maybe if you eat chicken, some little pieces of chicken. Nice. I didn't think about this. I didn't have a spoon out. Oh, I love this. Now I'm gonna pour it here so you guys can see it better. But it does look beautiful. And it tastes delicious. Excellent. Thank you so much, Jimmy. A new recipe for the family. This is a winner. Thank you. Bye.